Facebook, YouTube, we're out here AOCleaning again. We're on a job. My sanding team's here. They sanded all this down yesterday, and now we're come back the second day and we're staining. The client decide to go with the cognac with the satin sheen, and you can see here they got down to the raw wood, and the clients are excited. They actually moved everything out of the area, and they actually stayed at the hotel for the time being, because they'll probably be finished up here by Friday once they put all the appliances back. As you can see, they removed the toilet, the vanity, which is the upcharge, so we can get to the bathroom floor. And they're staining now, as you can see. We got the senior over there. He's getting the foundation there by the steps. We got Bub doing the closet area. We already did the main living areas. As you can see, the floor is drying now with the stain. And again, remember guys, there's no protection yet, but that is the stain. It has to dry. So that's what they decided to go with. It absolutely looks stunning and beautiful. We did tape off the baseboards, as you can see. And we already did the prep work, as you can see it there. But absolutely looks great. You can see we got over here, kind of made a barrier, and they did open this up since the sanding's done. But yeah, guys, it's going great, and we're doing it now. And tomorrow I'll be back, and we'll see them lay their first coat. I'm sorry, not for tomorrow, but Friday we'll come back, and it'll be finished. So, but yeah, the team's working hard, as you can see. Detail is very important. And my team is dedicated to that. And you'll probably see these guys, if you ever book with us on a service for sanding, staining, and hardwood refinishing. As you can see, very detailed, because everything matters, especially if you do the stain. And one thing I want to mention too, guys, as you guys are watching and sharing this and subscribing and liking, is whenever we do kind of stain like this, it's all by hand, guys. So you can see the workmanship and the skill set that's needed to do this. Is all by hand.
You want that hand work? I'll wait till you get out of there.
But check it out, guys. That's what we're doing. Let the gentlemen continue to work. And I want to give you guys some updates on that. And again, tune in on Friday as I'll finish this video up with the final results and show what these guys are doing. So this guy here has been doing this for a long time, over 40 years. This other guy is a sidekick. You always see these guys together. Any kind of project that we do as well. So again, guys, thanks for watching. AO, let's go. See you in the next one. Stay tuned.
I'm just going to start on your left side. I see here, bud. I'll leave you a pathway.
Perfect. All right, guys, this is the final results. You can see everything looks amazing. This is the cognac satin sheen. The team did a great job. We just got finished up, put everything back. As you can see, it was absolutely stunning. AO sanding team did a great job. Shout out to Jerry, Bub, and the guys. We had to put back the refrigerator, the stove, and the dishwasher. And look at this, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yes. Again, if you guys need our service, please reach out. We offer full sanding, staining, and recoating, as well as dustless and sandless. The difference is with the sandless, we get you done the same day. Basically, we screen off your old protection and apply new, but in this case, they wanted to change the color. And they had some scratches in the wood, so in that case, you do need a full sanding. And also, it's cheaper than replacement, so looks great. Check out the bathroom here. You can see we installed the toilet as well as the vanity, and that looks great. Hello, and looks absolutely stunning, guys. Again, thanks for watching.
That's the boss right there.
Absolutely. All right, guys. This is AOCleaning. This is my clients, Mr. and Misters. They just got back and they saw the wow factor of the floors, and they want to tell you their experience firsthand. So here's Mrs. Misters. Perfect. We appreciate that. And what about the mister? Anything you want to say to the team watching?
You got it very much.
Appreciate that. All right, guys, you heard it from them. Appreciate you. Again, reach out if you need our service. And as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the bell and pay the fee. All right, guys.